In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a secure checkout badge to your Wix website. This badge will reassure your customers that their transactions are protected, and it will greatly enhance the overall trust and credibility of your online store. Start by launching your Wix site editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to tailor your website exactly to your liking. Once you've entered the editor, take a look at the left side menu. You ought to see an icon that resembles 4 squares stacked together. This is the Add Apps icon, and it's your ticket to a vast array of website improvements and functionalities. Give that icon a click and prepare to embark on your journey to increased website security. Next, you'll find yourself staring at the Wix App Market search bar. Here's where you'll type in Trust Badges. The world of trust badges is quite versatile, so brace yourself for several options to choose from. Not all of them may be suitable or necessary for your website, so try to focus on the popular and free options. These are usually the ones trusted and employed by a multitude of other website creators, so you know you're going down the right path. Once you've spotted a trust badge option that piques your interest, all you have to do is click on it. After clicking on your selected option, a new window will open up revealing all the information and details about the badge. But your mission doesn't end there. You will see a plus Add to Site button, which is your next click target. After clicking the plus Add to Site button, take a moment as the app gets installed onto your site. After the installation process is complete, you'll be greeted with the app's settings panel. This is where you get to customize and select the Secure Checkout badge. The gallery is chock full with various badges for you to browse through, so take your time and find the one that fits your website aesthetic the best. Once you've selected the perfect badge, you will see some boxes which you'll need to check. This confirms your selections and initiates the process of adding the badge to your website. And with that final click, you've successfully added a Secure Checkout badge to your Wix website. So take a moment to step back, admire your work, and know that you've added an extra layer of security that